This video tutorial I will explain hasSameRules method of TimeZone class which accept time zone. Here I have defined the class TimeZone demo. Here I have created TimeZone 1 object, TimeZone 2 object and TimeZone 3 object. Then I am calling hasSameRules method of TimeZone 1 and passing TimeZone 2. TimeZone 1 is different from TimeZone 2. So it returns false. Then I am calling hasSameRules method of TimeZone 2 and passing TimeZone 3. TimeZone 3 is same as TimeZone 2. So it returns true. You can get Java source code link for each video in the description section of the video. Here you can see the description section. Click on show more and here you can see the Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.